Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be covering 3 free plugins that are worth checking out, as if you actually needed any more plugins. Hey, thanks for stopping by the channel today. If you're new here, this channel exists to simplify the complexities of the home studio and help you make professional sounding music in a less than professional space. And along those same lines, the August edition of the HSS Song Contest is now in full swing. There's a link in the description of this video if you'd like to get involved in that song contest. The HSS Song Contest is an excellent chance to get your song submitted and listened to by the community here, as well as to get some professional feedback on what you could do to make that song better. Likewise, the winner of the contest then gets a free mix and master from yours truly, and if you're okay with it, we will even mix the song here live so that everyone can benefit from learning how to get your song to that next level. All right, let's take a look at the 3 free plugins that we're going to be talking about today. First one I'm going to be mentioning is a freeware synth. It's called the 𝗶𝘅 𝗧𝗿 2.1. The 𝗶𝘅 is based on the Oberheim OBX. It attempts to recreate its sound and behavior, but as the original was very limited in some important ways, a number of things were added or altered to the original design. The 𝗶𝘅 was designed to sound as good and as rich as the original, but it implements micro-random detuning, which is a part of that big sound. Now, while not completely copying the original, some of the features were taken to a better point. For instance, continuous blendable multi-mode filters. And also, like many synths of the OBX's generation, the 𝗶𝘅 has no internal effects, so its sounds and textures can be greatly enhanced by the use of additional processing like chorus, reverb, delay, etc. Alright, and next up is the InstaLooper. This is a freeware looper. Now the InstaLooper is a looper, but it's not just a looper. This tool actually allows you to loop your music with different sizes of loops on 4 different loop rows to pitch your loops and to also use integrated effects on it and even reverse the audio. This plugin is useful for making live effects or to program glitch effects when you create your tunes. Each Audio Blast software is designed for real-time creations and live performances that require tools that are easy to use. Some of the key features are that you have 4 loops in a row. You have an on-off for each one of those loops. You can also have up to 10 sizes of loops from 1 bar to a 1/32 beat per row. You can also have 5 integrated effects per row. It has a bit reducer, auto pan, high pass, phaser, and time expander. And you can even pitch per row. Lastly, there's also a reverse effect per row. So there's a ton of options that you can use this thing for to create some really awesome audio. Next up, the Filter Step is a modern motion filter plugin which provides a great deal of potential for all kinds of intricate rhythmic movement. It can actually give you incredibly complex and nuanced results based on various filter effects, using almost infinite possibilities for sonic exploration and movement randomization. So if you're looking to introduce contemporary character to your music and craft compelling textures with simple and intuitive perimeter controls, the Filter Step is definitely a plugin that's free that you should be looking into. And remember that all the plugins that have been covered will have the applicable links included in the description of the video.